Predictive analytics, a value-additive digital tool that transforms raw data into robust insights, has been at the forefront of colossal paradigm shifts in various sectors in the 21st century. Historically, predictive analytics were used to identify patterns and predict future outcomes based on present statistical data. The advent of computers and technologies in the late 20th century gave birth to predictive analytics as a digital tool. Initially, businesses used it to analyze market trends and enhance their portfolios. The science of predictive analytics is rooted in telemetry, statistics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data mining. It uses current and historical statistical data to predict future trends, customer behavior, and marketing strategies. Today, predictive analytics is a sought-after tool for businesses looking to thereby forecast future occurrences, elucidate past trends, and deal with current scenarios that need immediate decisions. The significance of predictive analytics cannot be overemphasized. By succinctly predicting future trends, companies can make predictions about customer behavior, thereby tailoring their services to meet these needs. This results not only in a significant increase in customer engagement and satisfaction, but also substantial business growth and profits. The dynamicity of predictive analytics is such that it finds extensive applications across different sectors, such as finance, healthcare, and marketing. The effectiveness of predictive analytics is remarkably evident in the healthcare industry, which relies heavily on it for disease forecasting and patient outcome prediction. In finance, predictive analytics helps identify risky investments, while marketing firms use it to understand consumer behavior and customize their strategies accordingly. The immense potential of predictive analytics comes with its fair share of positive and negative consequences. On the positive side, predictive analytics gives businesses a competitive edge. Besides acting as a strategic decision-making tool, predictive analytics equips companies with the ability to anticipate client requirements, identify market trends, and make informed decisions. It seamlessly integrates with marketing strategies to drive customer engagement. In the healthcare sector, predictive analytics can effectively predict patient outcomes, consequently helping healthcare providers act proactively to improve patient care. Despite the numerous advantages, predictive analytics has some drawbacks. A significant consequence is the issue of data privacy. Predictive analytics relies heavily on massive volumes of data. When such data is improperly handled, it can lead to enormous privacy concerns. Stringent laws are necessary to ensure that data privacy is not compromised. Moreover, predictive analytics is fundamentally an estimation, and thus it is subject to a margin of error. Projections that are not 100% accurate can lead to businesses making wrong decisions based on these forecasts. Another potential negative consequence lies in the self-fulfilling prophecy. If a prediction suggests a negative outcome, people might act in a way that unintentionally brings about the very event they were trying to avoid. As such, while predictive analytics might be pivotal in providing important insights, it also holds the potential to negatively alter behaviors based on predicted outcomes. In conclusion, predictive analytics, since its inception, has been a revolutionary tool that has shaped how businesses are operated, how healthcare is delivered, and how consumer behavior is analyzed. Its future forecasts provide companies with unmatched insights, allowing them to surge ahead of their competition. Notwithstanding the potential issues of data privacy, inaccuracies, and self-fulfilling prophecies, the benefits of predictive analytics far outweigh the risks associated with it. Given its inherent robustness and potential to transform future scenarios, predictive analytics promises to continue revolutionizing various sectors in the foreseeable future.